Yeah, people, you know, say real bad cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. You see what I say? A whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. You see what I say?
Just walk up to a average Jamaican and ask them to name you 2 Jamaican artists. And all you go hear is, boy, the same thing. But just walk up to them and tell them to name you 2 Jamaican dancehall artists. And they now go just name you 2, then go name you who start dancehall music right up to the hottest one right you know currently, and all of them things. Yes, massive wants to give thanks. Yeah, man wants a blessed love, man. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, we're outside. We're in the south of France. Normally, them places are always sunny and warm still, but yeah, man, you know, today it's kind of different, it's kind of cold today, you see it, so yeah, man, we keep it natural same way to one. We out here for all a reason with the people, man. You might occasionally hear plane a pass and them kind of sitting there because we're close to one airport. You see it, we're not too far from the airport. Yeah, so we're outside, we're in Toulouse. I want to say welcome, big up and respect to all the people who are tuning into the channel, are subscribe, and all of them nice things there. As usual, we want to say gratitude is a must, and we not take nothing for granted, you see me? Yeah, man, but today we're there again for your next reasoning, and we are touched by some of the things them where we see affect we community, we country, we people them, you see it? And as a Jamaican, I feel like I say, I have the right to speak out on some things when time we see it where it affect we are, it now work for we are, whatever, you see it? And if it's something where good for we same way to, we are talk about it same way to, you see it? So, you understand? Just give thanks and just give me a listening, you see it? Alright. So we are talking about the extremism of Jamaican people. See? Because Jamaica is one of the most beautiful places on the planet. We are get that out there. Jamaica have some of the most beautiful, friendly, nice, loving, kind, what, make we name it, people out there. You understand? But on the other hand, we have some of the dumbest, some of the most violent, some of the silliest people them round the place as well. And we are going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about it. See? Because there's a problem with how we process things. See? So right here now, we are on out this. Red pill or the blue pill? Which one we are going to take? You see it? Yeah. So watch you know. we attracted to the things them where bring we down. We are so attracted to the things them what bring destruction and demise to ourselves. See? I don't know how comes that. Why is that? What make we so attracted to the things them what destroy we? See? Why are we so attracted to the things them what is the lowest form of expression of our culture. See? Me not knock dancehall. Dancehall is a place where it provides a lot for people who depend the lower spectrum of society. See? But at the same time, dancehall promotes some of the most degrading, violent, and destructive thing about ourselves. See? You see, when you come on to the woman them differently still, you don't notice how low the woman them have to go. To get certain kind of support and certain kind of standard or certain kind of respect in the dancehall music. See? If we notice, the youth them who sing dancehall music, the man them, the one them who get the kind of respect where bring them to a certain levels, are the one them who go as violent and as grimy as possible. See? Where we promote death and destruction for each other. But those are the ones who we give the most support to, and the one them where reach the highest level in the music. See? If you notice again same way too, the youth them on TikTok, the one them who reach the highest level are the one them who got the lowest of standard. The one them who bring the culture to the lowest level are the ones them who get the most promotion, and the one them who get more the most fame and support. Me I wonder what cause them things there. Cause you know only I come from young people, you know. Seeing them sitting here coming like some things where enshrined in a way with DNA. It just written in a way with DNA code. You see it? For we get attracted to the lowest form of things them. The things them we go destroy we, and that we love. No joke about it differently still. See? If you notice even same way too, me see some elderly people up on the YouTube. See? And they know themselves. Me not have to call their name. You see, anytime them people talk anything about standard or good way of living, promote love and peace and them kind of things, them videos not get much views. But the moment they set out to tear down and destroy other young people, what they say, I do things. You see the amount of views and the amount of likes and the amount of support what they get. And that create a little attraction and promote the destruction. Our standard, our culture and them kind of sitting there. See? Jamaican people are the real Hebrew Israelites. Caribbean people, black people in the West, we are the real Hebrew Israelites. See? And you want to know how I know this? Because of the things them what we attracted to. Take for example, most of the people around the place them are Christian. And one famous story what told in a Christianity is Jesus and the crucifixion of Jesus. See? When Pilate stepped out and said to the people them, say, look, here is the Christ, the divine man, and here is a criminal. He named Barabbas, and this man named Jesus. Who you want? And who did the people them choose? The people them chose Barabbas over Jesus. I wanna see him one. Yeah man, I wanna see him one man. Nothing not change about no differently still. You see it? Cause watch you now. You see anytime no youth come round here so and talk about peace and love and unity, them not get no look into round here. Nobody narrate them. If you don't notice the artists them, we sing love, peace, unity, nation building and them kind of things there. People shun them and push them one side. Them nobody no want hear no message. But make destruction come out. We bust be a blank. And we big them up and we promote the one them who sing and promote the demise and destruction of we self. And we are talking about we self. See, we are talking about our own people them. And the one them who sing about bust out skull and all kind of degrading things are the one them what we love. See? And we run with the one them. Then could have sing like bird. Nobody no want to hear nothing from them. You see it? I just the hardcore rootical people them. Give them people a certain kind of support. See it? And then things they are destroy we. And we are going like I said we don't care. And going like so we don't know what are going differently still. You see it? More time me see how the people them flex differently still. Me just know say we depend one course of destruction differently still. You see it? And all of them sitting there are what we love and we are attracted to. Yeah, peace and love now have nothing to do with the people them differently still. It's just a minority of the people them. Yo. It baffles me differently still. If you see how the youth them grow. More time when I look upon it differently still. I see how the standard of the youth them brilliance and the youth them maturity is so much when time you listen things like school challenge, quiz and all of them little things there. You see it? When time you match when you match them standard there with the standard of the youth them in a Europe and them kind of things there. You see it? You realize Jamaica there way ahead of some of the developed country them in terms of how they teach the youth them and all that kind of sitting and how brilliant the youth them is and them kind of thing there. You see it? But when time then turn adult, I want different kind of sitting differently still. You see it? When you look and you see the kind of things them where the adult them promote and attracted to, it make you really wonder if a majority of the people them stay so or is just because we promote the minority, we behave certain kind of way and push them to the top. See, just like how we do dancehall music. Dancehall music are the lowest art form, the lowest expression of our art form. But yet, dancehall are the most attractive art form. See, we have enough cultural expression. But for some reason, dancehall are the one who are promoted the most. If you see an ordinary youth in the street, just walk up to an ordinary youth, anybody, and ask them, for name you, 2 Jamaican scientists. And all you go here, boy, just walk up to a average Jamaican and ask them for name you 2 Jamaican artists. And all you go here is, boy, the same thing. But just walk up to them and tell them to name you 2 Jamaican dancehall artists. And they now go just name you 2, then go name you who start dancehall music right up to the hottest one right now currently, and all of them things. And if you notice differently still, you see you have some good artists. I don't have to name nobody still, but you have some good artists where them not get the kind of promotion where they need and then deserve, where do good music, solid music. And nobody not care about them. Nobody not care about them. You see it? Because we're so attracted to the people them where do the worst things. The youth them on TikTok, as me say, if they want to get promotion and want to get any kind of fame, notice what them do. Them promote violence towards each other. Them promote disrespect towards each other, disrespect towards women and all kind of sitting. And we just gas them on and say, "Oh, you mean, youth?" We gas them up and say, "Yeah, man, you're not the greatest." Why are we so attracted to silliness? You see, if you can package anything and become one of the silliest person around the place, notice you get promotion. You see, if you can package negativity and send it out to the people, notice how people gravitate to it and promote it. And when time we see the youth them behave certain kind of way, and them destroy themselves and destroy the culture and them kind of sitting there, we turn around and blame them. But guess what? We same one promote and hype them up when time them do the things them we have to destroy and we have to bring down with culture and bring shame to it. You see, the more silly you can be with culture and with society, and the more attractive we become, and the more promotion we get. See, notice that over the years differently still, the sillier the artist is, a bigger he become, and more famous he become. The sillier our people them is, we vlogger them. You see, if we can be as silly as possible as a vlogger and be as reckless as possible, notice that them man they get the promotion and that them get the love and the respect. People who talk about unity and community building and love and respect and them kind of things, we get shun out here. Nobody no rate we. See, make some people out here disrespect some people and and disrespect women and just bring things to the lowest level. Seeing? Are them people that we like and we support and we promote. And more time, in your comment section, for example, me as a youth where me always talk about stop bringing down and tearing down the people them way, their own way, and support them and advise them, and if them make no mismove certain kind of way, I could talk to them and bring them back to the standard where them supposed to go. And you want to see some people are coming on my comment section and cuss me out how me I go on like I say me superior to other people and me must leave people business alone and Rasta nothing mix up in a bangarang. All when time me out here I tell people say, look, what I do it wrong. And it only bring destruction and demise to we self and we culture. You have people out here I talk about I say, me figure sit down and stop mix up myself in a bangarang, and you understand I try for bangarang shame me. For try to bring light to people. Try to uplift people, try to make people see things in a one way where standard important. So if we uplift with standard and don't tear down people and disrespect people. And when time people come out and cuss me in my comment section and cuss me in other people comment section, instead of people say, look, what the Rasta do are the right thing. He might talk about community building. He might talk about unity. He might talk about love. He might talk about peace. No. You find a bunch of people I agree with people. I say, me figure sit down one side. Me chat too much. Me must left people alone. People have the right to do what they do and all kind of stuff. Which is right. Everybody have the right to do what they do. So if everybody have the right to do what they do, me feel like I say me have the right to speak against some of the things them where me see people do. And when people talk the stupidity about me or against me, the amount of likes what me see them comment they get, it baffles me differently still. If you say, our people, we attracted to the lowest form of expression. We attracted to the things them what destroy we. Why we so attracted to negativity? And when time negativity come knocking at we door, and when time we see negativity play itself out in a way, in a how the youth them behave themselves, in a how the youth them treat each other, we act like say we surprised about it. When time a weed around here promote all of them kind of things. Man, you see if we not change we ways differently still. We kinda dark. And that me answer differently still. We kinda go dark if we not change up them kind of things. You know see it? But watch you differently still. You see like how Bob Marley say, them a got tired to see my face. Cause guess what? Me go always out here and remind people of who they are supposed to be. You see it? And you see if you don't want to promote negativity, me go there out here like the one voice in the wilderness. What I telling you say, them things they are idiot thing. I don't know if you lower off of them sitting there. You see it? And you see who not like it differently still. Who not grab me up on the internet or who not beat me on the internet. Because guess what? I now not mind them things they are going to go on. You see it? So people, and I go and bless up on yourself, you know. You see all of the decent Jamaican people them who love peace and unity. I want to say, we culture become the standard by which people should grow and live by. Make we continue to promote the peace and loving and the positive side of it. You see it? Because positivity and love, it alone go win. You see it? The negativity go and kick up itself, you know, but guess what? All light go get weed out at one point. You see me I say? It might have win now. But watch you now. You see all the youth them who want to come out here come speak of peace and unity and oneness. I don't feel shy about it. Even though it look like I say a negativity at the order of the day. And negativity are what they win you now. I don't take time come out and do nothing same way. You see it? Yeah man. We want to say more positive things in our self. In how we express ourselves. See? Because guess what? You see if the people them say a positive reflection of themselves on the screen what they watch, it go have a way how it transform in how people behave themselves and how people carry themselves and how people treat each other. Yeah. So with all that being said, people, no go and bless up on yourself and take care of your family, take care of your loved ones. Do the right thing. Promote more love around the place. And make that be the standard. You understand? And burn out negativity. Rastafari live. If you like the content, share it with your friend them. Click the subscription button, click the like button so we can get the video suggested to more people and we grow the channel. You don't know, heart of love, blessed love to each and every one. Rastafari live. Give thanks.